Hey guys, a very warm welcome to our YouTube channel Adroit. So in this video, I'm going to advise you some tips which can help you to score a perfect grade in your college or university. So I scored a perfect 10 CGPA in my previous semester, which is my semester 3 in BCom Honors, Shri Ram College of Commerce, and I became one of the university toppers in university rankings. Now, the principles I'm going to suggest you in this video are universal, or I can say that these principles or tips can be applied by you regardless of your course or your college or university. Now, you need to consider the fact that our exam type was open book examination due to the ongoing pandemic which is going on. And now, without wasting a single second, let's directly jump into this video. First tip I would like to give you all is to become a participating student in lectures. Now, being a participating student means two things. One, that you achieve 100% attendance with due diligence, and number two is that you are engaged in all the lectures that are being given to you by your teachers. Now, these two steps in this tip will help you to have a good network or connection with your peers and your teacher. And if you have a good connection with your teacher, they would be lenient to give you more marks. So ensure that you are a participating student in your class. So for this, what you can do is you can ask more and more questions to your teacher. You can be participating in doubt clearing sessions. You can answer the questions which have been put forth by your teachers. So by doing this, you will ensure that you become a participating student, and this will provide you with more marks in internal assessments. Second tip I would like to give you is follow syllabus and previous year question papers. Now, syllabus contain very specific topics which will come in your examination, and those are strictly defined topics. So ensure that you go through syllabus and you do those chapters or topics with due diligence which have been mentioned in your syllabus. Now, second is follow previous year question. What happens is that your syllabus is limited, so most of the questions which are asked in your examination have already come in the previous examination. So many questions are very repetitive. For example, in microeconomics, which is a limited subject, you need to study this from syllabus and solve as many questions as you can from past year question papers, because questions are repetitive in university or your college examination. The third tip I would like to give you is meet all the deadlines. So deadlines are given to you by your professor to ensure that you complete the given assignment or project within a limited time period. If you complete these project within a limited time period, or say earlier, then it would surely impress your professor and they would give you more marks in internal assessments. And internal assessments usually carry around 1/4 or 1/5 part of your overall grading system. So ensure that you complete all those assignments and projects within limited time period, and also with a relative edge. By relative edge, I mean that you make the project in a better way than the average student would. Tip which is very important is follow all the guidelines which have been provided by your university or your college. Now, guidelines are usually basic do's and don'ts which you need to follow while writing your examination. Since I was in open book examination, we were asked to use A4 sized sheet papers to write our answers. But most of my friends used small pieces of paper so that the short answer could be stretched in more number of pages. Do not ever do this mistake. This will give a bad impression to paper checker. Okay. So follow all those guidelines which have been provided by your university or college. For example, follow this size of paper, or do not forget to bring your admit card, or whatever guidelines have been provided. The fifth, last but not the least, very important point is that improve your answer writing skills. Now, by answer writing, I mean that you have a good writing in your paper, in your exam, and you have a good presentation skills that you present your paper well in the answer sheet. Now this is very important because there is an old saying, जो दिखता है वो बिकता है, कि make your paper more presentable and more beautiful. That will definitely fetch you more marks. And I had relative edge in this because I have good handwriting, as I can say, which fetched me a little more marks that I actually deserved. I hope you like this video and follow all these 5 steps to ensure that you get a perfect score in your college, or if not perfect, you could improve your grades in the upcoming or forthcoming semester. I hope you like this video. Make sure that you hit that big fat thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press that bell icon so that you never miss any update from our YouTube channel. Thank you.